Hey folks, Andy here from City Pro Services. Thanks for stopping by the channel. We looked like we got about 4 or 5 inches of snow this morning. So we're gonna go out for a little drive, head over to the farm and feed my dogs and my sheep and my chickens. And then we'll go down and slip the plow on. Looks like we'll have to plow the school tomorrow. So I thought I'd bring you guys along and let you see the snow. So I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Looks like they tried to plow the main street out here. Of course, that makes it just as slick. It actually ain't raining or snowing as hard right now as it was. But it looks like there's still quite a bit of snow to come yet. It's about 10:30 on Sunday morning, and we've been told the snow would probably still be here around 3 o'clock. So good day to sit at home and snuggle up to your significant other and watch the playoffs. The snow sure does look really nice on top of the trees. There's a few people out. I imagine people are getting ready for the playoffs this afternoon. I believe the game started at 3. Pull in here to Casey's and get a coffee, and then we'll get up out of here. Alright guys, got the coffee. It started snowing again, of course. We'll head over to the farm and see how the dogs are doing. Maybe I don't think they plowed this part of the road. No plow been on this road. You just got to be careful. They were calling for 1 to 3 inches in our area. But it's hard to say what we'll end up with when it's all done. tricky when it's not plowed correctly or not plowed at all, and you got other people coming down the road, and you try to get out of their way and they try to get out of your way, and you can get sucked into the ditch pretty quick if you're not careful. Alright guys, we'll go over there and check on the animals and get back with you. Alright folks, we made it over here to the farm to check on all the animals. I see the sheep way out there. They've probably been inside. Of course, the dogs are here playing. The puppies, they kind of love this weather. Hi, everybody. Yeah, it's really coming down now. We'll get in here and get everybody fed real quick and be right back with you. Gave Ginger a bone and she came out here to lay in the snow. Did you eat it? You better get in there and get you some regular food. Okay? The sheep are over here eating sweet mix. Snow's still coming down pretty hard. Hello everyone. You sharing? Lambs all look like they're doing really good. Hi, Miley. Hi, Miley. Say hi to everyone. She's getting to be a big girl. And there's her sister, Miss Purple. Hi, girl. Hi. 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 There's Mama. Mama come over to say hi to her babies. Yep, there's little Red. If you'd like to adopt one of these, please leave a comment and contact us, and they are available. Really coming down. Alright guys, we're going to try to finish this school up. We just about got it, so stay with us. Just got a little bit left right here, finishing this one corner, and then we'll be out of here. Alrighty. Got 2 plow trucks following me. I'd much rather follow
Continue
them,
on Woodman Drive for 1.5 miles.
They're doing a really good job working together though. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. God bless.